Hello everyone, today I will be going out with my homegirls. We will go shopping, this is just to prepare for our party tomorrow. So without further ado, let's get ready. This is the photo I will be referencing for today's hairstyle. I am actually excited because I haven't seen the girls for a while now, maybe 9 months, just because we all live in different countries. It has been hard communicating with the different time zones and school hours and everything else. But enough about me. How are you? I can't see how you're feeling, but remember that God knows your pain, it is only a matter of time before it goes away. But anywho, let's go to my closet and see what we are wearing today. Welcome to my closet. So today, I will be going for a simple but grungy aesthetic. I think maybe this one. It would definitely go with these shoes. OMG, I haven't worn this bag for quite a while, it's perfect. Now, I need to wash my face. My camera died while I was recording my skincare routine, so I'm just going to change. I am definitely feeling this fit, so this is what I am going to wear. It actually took me about 45 minutes to complete this hairstyle, so let's hope it lasts for the day. I can't even smile anymore, otherwise I will ruin my gloss. Oh sugar, I am almost late and I haven't had breakfast. So breakfast for today is veggie soup and some pink juice, so yummy. Thank you for joining me today. If want more videos from me, tell me in the comment.